Hello guys, we'll discuss alkyl halide in the lecture number 3, physical properties. So what are the physical properties of an alkyl halide? We'll discuss one by one. First physical property, that is nature of CX bond. What is C? C is an alkyl part, X is an halogen like fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. As we know, the electronegativity of fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine is greater in the periodic table. So what happened as electronegativity is greater? The tendency of an atom or group of atom to accept the electron pair to itself increases. So the fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine accept electron pair to itself. So it carries a partially negative charge while it donates the electron, so it carries a partially positive charge. So the polarity in the bond is carried, called as nature of CX bond is what? It's a partially polar nature. It is not complete polar because it is a covalent compound. Completely polar compounds are ionic compounds. So what happened in this case? So when methyl chloride, ethyl chloride compounds are there, so electron density of that compound is shifted toward the chlorine atom because chlorine is an electronegative. Same here. See the example of methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide and methyl iodide. In the four halides, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, fluorine is highest electronegative in the periodic table. After that chlorine, after that bromine and after that iodine. As the electronegative nature of fluorine is maximum, so the bond length of these two elements are smaller. So it is 139 picometer because fluorine accepts electron of methyl to itself greaterly as compared to this molecule. See the bond length of other molecules are increases. See the bond enthalpy. As the smallest is the bond length in between these two atoms, so what happened? It requires maximum energy to break the bond, that is bond enthalpy. Bond enthalpy was what? It is energy required to break the molecules into the constituents of atoms. See the mu. Mu is dipole moment, that is d by 1.8. So the second molecule methyl chloride, methyl bromide and methyl iodide. As we go top to bottom in this series, bond length are increases because iodine has a less electronegative character as compared to this one. But what is the nature of CX bond? Nature is partially polar nature. Nature is what? Partially polar nature due to the presence of electronegativity of fluorine atom. See the next physical properties, that is boiling point. Boiling point of alkyl halide is greater than as compared to the alkanes because it contains a polarity nature. So when we are discussing about the four alkyl halides, alkyl iodide, alkyl bromide, alkyl chloride and alkyl fluoride. So the boiling point of an iodide compound is greater as compared to the fluorine compound because iodine has a higher molecular mass. As the molecular mass decreases, the boiling point of compound decreases. Iodine has greater molecular mass, that is 127.5. See the halogen atoms. See methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide and methyl iodide. These are the boiling points of following compounds. But when you are observing regarding to the four examples, as methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, 1-propyl chloride, as the molecular mass increases in these carbon atoms, so the boiling point also increases. Observe this one. The last compound is a solid state, so it has a melting point. With respect to the molecular size and the surface area, 1 bromobutane, 2 bromobutane and tertiary, that is 2 methyl, 2 bromo, 2 methyl propane. So these are 3 molecules. So these out of these 3 molecules, the last molecule has a less surface area, so it requires less energy to break. First molecule has a highest surface area, so it requires higher energy to break the compound. So it contains 375, it contains 364 and contains 346 boiling point of the compound.